Hi, welcome to Anjok Technologies. I'm here to show you the Anjok Technologies WhatsApp API Manager application. And this is a login. And using the login you can log in the dashboard. And this is a dashboard. And this dashboard had any contacts, total messages, incoming, outgoing, and everything. And now we are going to the chats. And this is the chats we have had incoming, outgoing also, and everything. And also you can, if it's a new lead, it automatically assigns a new lead, and you can change the confirmed detail and everything. And also you can change the name. This name is incoming, automatically saving the user's name. When incoming is coming, the username is automatically saved. And also you can assign to your agents also. You can create multiple agents and you can assign the agents also. And then this is a contact. In this contact you can add an angel and the name of the incoming messages. And this is a broadcast. Using the broadcast you can do bulk messages and everything. And you can do lot of messages like selecting the contacts and picking manually. And also you can do select the from group also. And there's a group, you can create a group. Using the group you can select the numbers, and also you can paste whatever numbers you had. And then you can go to the variables. And if you had variables, there is a variable, you have to fix the variable. And then there is a send now option and schedule option, and two options is there, and you can use the schedule option also. And when you have to send a message, you can schedule the details and it will automatically send to that, something like that. And also we had now I'm just selecting nothing else, that's why it's showing like that. And now we see that in this whole broadcasting and the broadcasting systems, like how many messages are going, like 140 messages are sent, 91 is sent, 29 is delivered, 56 is rated, and 56 is failed. And now we can show to the full report. When you see the full report, in that report we had to see the send details. Now we can see the send details and delivery details and read details, and also failed report. And in this also we can see the fail details, how many failed we had in that also. And you can import the data also in the CSV. And you can go to the carousel template, and we can use the carousel template like when you create a template, and you can use that like bulk messaging, like a bulk messaging multi templates like that. We can add a multi template like that. You can select the same as the previous in that, and you can select in that. And you can select a variable also. And if you had a send option, and you can select in that, and it will send like that. It automatically going into the backend, not from nothing else you have to do anything. It will go to the backend. And also this is a templates, you can create templates in here. And these are the templates we had, and you can create whatever template you had in that, and it will show the preview of everything. And you can add the buttons also, multiple buttons add in that, in with your template in that. And this is a carousel template. This is a carousel template like a multi template, and using one message to sending the multiple messages, something like that. And also you can use whatever in that, and you can create a carousel template also in here. And then it is a flows. In the flows is had like when you're creating a flow one by one, it will, you can create in that also. Like it's a chatbot, like flow chatbot, something like that. And you can create one by one, follow up the user. When you had a user incoming, and you have to follow up the user using the flash too, you can do that. That is very well to use for the people. And this is just auto reply, and you can create a keyword like hi or something like that. And whatever reply you have to do that, and take into the saving to that. And also this is a managing product. You can add the product and everything, and also you can connect the product in here also, and it will send automatically. And this is products, and I already told you. And this is a group, you can create a group in that. And you can also create bulk messaging, sorry, bulk upload the group details and everything. And you can use the data in broadcasting, the two broadcasting, carousel and broadcast carousel. And this is a in-out report. and you can see the whatever in incoming outgoing you had in the total reporting, you can see in that. And also you can select the rate and incoming direction of the in out and messaging received or sent or delivered and read and failed, every data you can check in that also. And then and there is a account, and in this account you can add your account data, and this is a profile. Using this profile to sync from your WhatsApp API, it will getting all the data into that, and you can also upload the image also. You can using from that you can change the name, and you can change the description, website and business mail and address, and everything you can change in that. Using this one only six syncing onto that, I can change that. And then there is a user agents, and you can create a multiple user agents in that, and you can give the access to them also. Whatever I can access to them, and you can give into the access, and that will show the people into that. And this is application we had. Using this application too, you can get a lot of clients. And thank you for watching, and thank you so much.